Hello guys, this is Imansu Wankar and today I'm going to show you how to use keylogger. So first of all search it. Sorry. First of all search it keylogger. I have searched already. You can install anyone, but I prefer this one. It has a blue logo. Wait for the installation. After the installation, you can open directly from here. Oh, it's clearing the accessibility. The risk must be activated for the application. So basically you have to do one thing. Just click on the OK button, then see here that the install services. So click on it, this one, and oh sorry, then you have to turn off. See that the install services keylogger, it's turn off. You have to turn on just by clicking on button. It will it will ask for permission for you that you are giving permission to use keylogger. So turn on, then after it's finished, say it's turn on. If it's not turn on, see, you can stop or start from top of the wrist button, pause and start, so you can start from there. So let's try. Where can I write? Okay, or here. There you go. Where? Okay, here. So there you go. You can write anything, and let's see. Or I write hey. Let me check. Is there or not? What happened? I'm starting again. Sometimes make a problem. The word is visible. Select more, stop, and start. Hmm. Let's try here. I'm searching something. Hey or hi. Then here. Oh, see here. So you can get it how much you wrote it from anywhere. So you can get it from there. So if you edit it from here, see it start. So it's in background. It will be start. Like see the keylogger is working on the background side. So if I search it max, so let's see, that will be max. Oh yeah, see, you can see here. And by if you want to stop it, you can stop it by just click on the pause button, and then you can stop it. So thank you for watching this video. Good day.